In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the point curve in Lightroom Mobile for full control over your photo editing. If you want to create cleaner contrast, softer fades, or even advanced color grading, this is one of the most powerful tools inside Lightroom Mobile. And if this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick editing tips just like this. Let's jump in. First, open Lightroom Mobile and select the photo you want to edit. It can be any image you want to improve, whether it's a portrait, landscape, or a content photo for social media. Once your image is open, look at the bottom menu and tap Light. This is where you'll find the main exposure and tone controls. Now, tap the curve icon inside the light panel. You'll see the tone curve display, which gives you much more precise control than the regular sliders. By default, Lightroom may show you the standard curve, but what we want here is the point curve, so switch to point mode, which gives you a line graph where you can place and move points manually. This is where the real control begins. Tap directly on the curve line to add control points. You can place points in different areas to target shadows, midtones, and highlights separately. For example, if you want to darken the shadows, add a point near the bottom left area and drag it slightly downward. If you want to brighten highlights, add a point near the top right area and pull it upward. A very common and useful adjustment is creating an S-curve. To do this, place one point in the darker tones and drag it down a little, then place another point in the brighter tones and lift it up. This creates more contrast and makes the image look stronger and more polished. It's one of the easiest ways to make your edit look more professional without over-editing. If you want a softer faded look, you can create a fade effect by lifting the bottom left point slightly upward instead of keeping the blacks completely deep. This reduces the intensity of the shadows and gives your photo that muted, cinematic feel. It's a great option for moody edits, lifestyle content, and creative portraits. Once you understand the point curve in black and white or RGB, you can go even further with color curves. Switch between RGB, red, green, and blue channels to adjust tones more creatively. The RGB curve affects the overall image, while the individual color channels let you add subtle color grading. For example, adjusting the red curve can warm up or cool down certain tones, while green and blue can shift the mood of the image in a very precise way. The key is to make small adjustments and watch how each point changes the look of your image. A little movement can make a big difference, so try to keep your edits clean and controlled. If you ever feel like you've gone too far, you can always reset the curve and start again. So that's how to use the point curve in Lightroom Mobile. Once you practice it a few times, you'll be able to create contrast, fades, and color styles much faster and with a lot more confidence. If this video helped you, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Lightroom tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.